Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make elderberry syrup. Not the expensive stuff you at home, you can make it a lot cheaper. So buy some organic dried elderberries, I got these from Amazon, and some organic honey if possible, and some filtered water. So I put some water and elderberries, and I'm cooking them. Once it starts boiling, I'm going to cover and cook it over for about 20 minutes so it can lightly boil. And then once that's over, you can go ahead and put it through a sieve, or you can smash it. So you can see it's getting darker with the color. So you can either smash it or you don't have to, because it will be squishable to do it with your hands. So then remove it. Once it's been 20 minutes, remove it from heat and let it cool off until it's cold completely. And here I'm just using a potato masher, but this is not necessary because you can do it with your hands. Squeeze them here with your hands. So I got some sieve and some cheesecloth. You won't need the cheesecloth if you haven't squished. So if you can go ahead and just put it through a sieve and it'll hold just fine if you're not gonna squish it out. And that's it. Once it's all cold, just throw away the seeds and stuff. Once it's all cold, add the honey and we are gonna blend it together. And once it's all the way completely mixed, our elderberry is done. So this is the main ingredients. You can add the other ingredients like echinacea and stuff, like they put in the original bottles. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe and let me know how it goes. Until next time, bye bye.